What's up guys, Sal here. So with each new passing day, we keep learning something new about the upcoming Samsung flagship, the Galaxy Note 10, and today is no different. A new report coming out of South Korea suggests that the Galaxy Note 10 will have this cool feature which will make your life a bit easier provided you have a PC, laptop, or a tablet with Windows 10 installed. You see, one of the good things about Apple products is how well integrated their ecosystem is. For example, the iMessage. All your conversations are available on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Not only that, you can use Mac to reply both iMessages and regular SMS messages via the Messages app. That means you don't have to switch devices to do these things, which were not possible on Android because the ecosystem isn't as good as Apple's. But the good thing is that is changing courtesy of Microsoft. The Galaxy Note 10 will come pre-installed with Microsoft's Your App. Yeah, a very strange name for an app. Anyway, this app enables multiple cross-device experiences by mirroring what appears on the smartphone screen to PCs with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, so no wires are needed. Also, users will be able to check and send text messages as well as pictures and videos in real time. By the way, this app has been available since last year, so that means it's not an exclusive Galaxy Note 10 feature. Samsung will just pre-install this app on the Note 10 right out of the box so that more people get to know this cool app. Honestly, I didn't know about this app until today. I installed this on my Galaxy S10 Plus and I'm already in love with that. The ability to have a seamless integration between your phone and PC is really cool, especially if you spend a lot of time in front of the computer. With the Note 10 aimed at professionals, I'm sure a lot of people are gonna like this app. You can already pre-order the cases for the Galaxy Note 10. Retailer Mobile Fun has obtained a list of all the official accessories for the Note 10, and they reveal that we may not get any new and exciting accessories this time around. Whatever the accessories that we got with the Note 9, the same will be carried over to the Note 10 as well. And these are the accessories. If you are planning to get the Note 10, then you should probably take a look at their website and see how much exactly these accessories cost. The Galaxy Fold hasn't gone according to what Samsung have initially planned. The device broke due to some manufacturing flaws, but Samsung fixed it and they are saying it's ready for the commercial release. But Samsung isn't resting. They are already working on the successor to the Galaxy Fold, and the Korean media reports that the Galaxy Fold 2 will have a display of 8 inches and will come with the S Pen support. The phone will have the same in-folding design like the Galaxy Fold, and there's no info about the front display size. The Fold has a 4.6 inches of front display, by the way. Korean media is now saying that the phone will be released early next year. That said, it's good that Samsung is working on the successor of the Fold and they're not giving up on the idea despite whatever happened with the Fold. But if Samsung wants people to spend so much money on a foldable device, then they need to convince them that the foldable phones are indeed the future of mobile technology by addressing the issues they had with the Galaxy Fold, which they have already done, but most importantly, they need to make sure the Fold doesn't encounter any hardware issues when they finally release the handset to general public. Anyway, let me know what do you think about this down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.